For me, the motivation isn't lacking. It's more the structure. And also, if things are hurting, I typically avoid it as opposed to doing stuff to help. And I think when I got given the Coach Kalen, he kind of helped me change my mindset, which is, often just stopping isn't the answer. Actually moving it and moving it in the right way with the right exercises actually helps. And yeah, let's be honest, I was super skeptical at first. Um, and yeah, as time has gone on, so I've been with Kaylin maybe, since March this year. And I think, if you're in a hurry, things never work. So you need to trust the process, and I have, and I've actually really enjoyed it, apart from anything. But I've noticed the difference, and I'm a happier, healthier me. Everything that we've been doing, my body has responded well to over time, and now I'm really, stupid things like I couldn't do a push up. And now I can do a push up. Okay, so it's taken me 10 minutes to do it, but I can now do it. So I think if someone's like considering whether or not they should or shouldn't, like, I signed up for the first 4 weeks. I really liked it. Then I signed up for the rest of the year. Um, it, yeah, you need to trust the process. If you're a skeptic, I would say sign up for a little time and see what it's like. But if you're really committed and you want to change how you feel and your wellness, I'd say go get it.